Hi and welcome back. So maybe you wonder why I have here now two helmets. In the part before I had just one. Now I was doing some polyflow fixing here and I decided not to record that. It's because I was really doing just some verts movement and also some edge movement just to fix the flow of the polys and make from this. And I preserved also the original helmet just to see the changes for you. You see, like this changed. And basically what I have done, I will now quickly explain. I used again a function from the graphite modeling tools. When you go to edge mode and select some of the edge, you can go now to loops and you have here a function called setFlow. Now the setFlow function basically do that it's fixing the flow according to the surrounding elements there. So if I will move this somewhere and fix the flow, it will fix according to this and again another points. So basically I did just that, and I was doing this only here at the back. Now why I'm not showing that is because just a waste of time. I was something similar showing in the part before, and really I didn't did anything big or great. And you could go also with this shape if you want. You can try to fix the polyflow like I did. Simply I was just applying it actually just on this free edge. I just loop them and set the flow. On this you can try, but it will not do anything. And also on this line, and actually I did just that. Nothing wrong. Yeah, on this line too. So I just selected, hit the loop and clicked set flow. So just for the beginning, I hope you are not mad that I'm not showing that, but really I don't think I should waste time with that. I think everyone can do it at their own, and also you should learn something and not just watch and follow me step by step. So try to fix the flow by you. If you do any mistakes, you can go back, and also don't forget that if you fix the flow you will lose this. You know, when you go to OLX, yeah, this shape here. Okay, so you have to fix that also after. So what I will do now is I will give thickness to our model. Now, first of all, let's go to the left view. I will delete these modifiers and hitting OLX, I will select the jaw and detach that. So it will separate object. Let's go here, detach subject, and we are back here. Now just to the helmet. Now I need to extrude some parts or give their thickness according also to some reference pictures and these things which I have here. So let's follow me. Select the poly mode, Ctrl A, and we will do now extrude of all words except this at the bottom. So everything just this deselect. Let's go to extrude. Now first change to local normal, and now we need to define the value here. Now we'll do 3 times extrude, and you have to understand that if we do 3 times extrude, the same value we have to apply also here. So if you will do 1 centimeter, we will have to place here 3 centimeters, so very easy. So I'll go with a value of 0.6. Hit OK. Now deselect this, one of this, and now in perspective mode deselect this. Now extrude one more time. OK. Now let's go by select object, deselect this inside circle or the parts of the polys. Also this here, so if we go to left mode, it's this line, and now this. Okay, like that. Extrude. Okay. So these were my extrusion there, and as you saw, I did 3 times 0.6. That means that here I need to apply also here on the jaw 1.8 to have the same thickness like I have here. now let's do some adjustments here. First of all, we will inset this a bit, this inside circle. Let's go like this. Maybe this is too far. A bit less. Okay, let's that. Keep it like this. Ctrl-Vert, collapse them together. Now, right-click, hide unselected, and I will delete these edges here because we really don't need them there, and I don't like them. So I will select these two, loop them. Now this one, and also these two I need. So should select everything like this. So backspace. Now before we do backspace, Ctrl-Vert, back to edge, backspace, vert. You have them here. Deselect this one, because these two we need. Otherwise the shape will disappear. Let's look here. It should be fine, but just for sure I will deselect also this. So backspace one more time. Oops, I had also here something. So deselect also these two. Okay, one more time backspace, and we should have here just one poly. Let's look on that. And the rest looks fine. Now I will delete this for some time, this poly which we done there. So I need to cap this somehow. What I will do, I will just drag the edge down, go to vert mode, and weld them together. Back to poly mode. We don't need this. Anyway, we will do the symmetry modifier track, and if we will have them there, it will not weld together. Now let's go here. I'll try also to delete these two. And more or less, we really don't need this here. So why to keep that if we don't need that? Okay, and this should be all. The shape now should be clean, like it was before, just thickness applied with these steps which we done. Okay, front view, Z to zoom, select all these here, go to your scale tool and scale it. This axis multiple times. Drag this here on this line, which should be more or less the middle. You can apply now the symmetry modifier there. Flip, okay, and also we can apply turbo smooth too, and it's fine. Yeah, sorry for that. Okay, as you can see, it's not looking so bad, but it's looking somehow strange. Now, why is that? It's simply because there is no edge tightening. We need to do that right now. And actually I will do multiple types of this. So, first of all, let's focus on these shapes. So I will select this shape here, bring that, it should end here, which is fine. So I will hit here connect and move that to the angle or to the edge. So I should have the value of 70 or minus 70. Now the same I will do here and here. So ring everything what we can. Now again connect, not minus now but plus 70. Okay, now probably it will be nice to have this one here. So far just here, we'll see in a while. You can also delete this edge, oh, this word, my bad. And now I will select this here, loop, it's looping there, which is quite fine, loop, so select it multiple times. And here I would like to apply chamfer. Now, as you can see, it's doing me just a strange shape here, which is very bad. It's there, it's not here, it's not here, it's not here, it's not everywhere, just there. And it's because there is missing something. I think it's not even there. Probably something will be here, but it's fine. We'll probably move this a bit later. So I will deselect that. Anyway, I will use, I think, just this here. So I will deselect that. I will probably save this like selection 1. Now let's go here. This should be not exactly flat, but sharp, but probably a bit round. So I don't know, let's go with a value of 0.7. Should be fine enough. Now I'll go back here and create, select my selection 1, select this to that, and hit the chamfer one more time. 2 lines and 0.05, so very, very small chamfer. And as you can see now, it's fine. Okay. I don't know what is wrong with me. No, sorry, one more time. Okay. Now here we have the mass, what I was talking about. So far, I will not keep much attention to that. I will just weld it together. Like this. Keep just the original there. Now I'll select my cut tool. Make here a nice cut like that. Okay. Now, select this. Ring that. Should be ring that all around this shape. And again, I will use a connect. Now I will use 2 times connection and move the connection down. Okay, like this, and a bit up. I like that, let's see. Now when we apply the symmetry modifier, as you can see, it's welding too much, so let's do with a small value. It should be anyway enough. Should be smooth. And now let's see. Now everything looks fine. Just this, I think it should be a bit moved here. So let's go to the cut tool. And I will make here this one. So now it should be a bit sharper. Yep. So here's something like that, which is not so bad. The edges here are sharp enough, and it's looking already a bit better. Okay, let's go here. One more, or a few more changes to this shape, and oops. So edge mode. Select not this edge, but this one. Loop. And one-time chamfer. Not a bigger one. Let's go with 0.5 or 0.6. not go with 0.6. So I will do here this kind of chamfers. I'll do there, there, and also here. Loop, chamfer, okay. So, like this. See? No problem at all. Okay, so when we have this one, even that I'm thinking now to make it small, oh, it's fine. So anyway, if we have this one here, I'll do here one connection, or one cut, or connection better. So I'll select this here, all the new should be done. This edge, and these edges here. Of course, until the end. So there. Now we go to loop and connect. Oops, the settings are a bit strange. Anyway, it's the same connect like here. So I think I can use the same. So I'll just connect and hit extrude. Now no, I didn't hit extrude. So one more time, extrude, and this value is really up to you. So we can go like 1 centimeter here and 1 in the deep, so probably 0.75. Yeah, 0.75 should be fine. So we'll make the extrude inside, loop this here, hit the chamfer button, and we'll do the smallest chamfer there. Now I will hit this, loop it, hit again the chamfer button, but now I will go with a higher value to be exactly 0.3. Oops, F4. So I will get at the end something like this. Okay, so unhide all. Let's go to disk, the front mask. Hide unselected like before. Again, I will delete this. Poly, Ctrl A. Now extrude the same value, or better, 3 times the same. So 1.8 and local normal. Okay. Constraint, delete this polys. Let's hit 4. So let's hit delete. Now from the front view, I will select all the words which we have here, scale them down, move them a bit. Should be, I think, here. Anyway, we'll look after. Now, more or less the same procedure. So first of all, I will select this edge and this edge, which should be a bit more smoother than the other. I will hit the chamfer button, and here I will go with a value of 0.5, I think. Now I will select this one, which should be sharp, this one as well, this one too. Well, again, hit the chamfer button and go with 0.5 value. Now I will hit the edge function loop, and I have manually select, we go to the set mode, this. I don't know why. So something manually, something not. Yeah, as you can see, we have here a strange shape. So I will fix that in a moment when I select all the edges, just not to lose the selection right now. So we're making so tight chamfers to oops, left view, to make the edges very sharp. So let's go to the left view if you have the sample like me, and I'll drag this somewhere here. Now just fix the polyflow now. Okay, so something like that should do the trick. Yep. Okay, back to edge. Now selected all the edges, chamfer. Now 2 times, like before. Okay. Now select all these here, connect again 2 times. So we will get one edge in the middle. So something like this. And also select this here, loop, okay, this one too, chamfer, and when we was doing the chamfer on the top of the head of the helmet, we'll do the same value here, but using just 1. Now, if we apply the symmetry modifier, flip, it should be fine, I hope. No, it's again welding these together, so this is fine. Turbo smooth 2 is a line. You will see here something. You see this bump? It's hard to see, but it's not absolutely straight. And it's actually doing the triangle which is here. So I'll just collapse them together like that was before. And now it's fine. Okay. So about the rest we'll see a bit later. So we have also this shape. So here we know that we need to do some adjustments to fit inside this. Okay. Shouldn't be any problem, but you can see that now already the shape is getting more and more interesting, which is cool. Also, if you see there any bumps, which of course I can do, even that I will not notice that, don't worry about them. Why? It's very simple. It's Iron Man. It's no like Pokemon, so it should be some bell bumps there. The battle bumps should be there if you take the series or the movie exactly. So if you do some, don't worry about that. If you apply the texture anyway, it will not be seeing so much. And also, as I said, it's Iron Man, so the shape shouldn't be, could be, can be, don't have to be perfect. This is something I read somewhere, so I decided to tell you the same too. So now let's go better here. Select these. Maybe not these. Delete. Okay. Now the same like we did before. If we have something like this, we need to apply the chamfer to get first an quad there, but also to get the chains to apply the edge tightening. In our case, it's a very small chamfer used by used by 2 edges. I think edit a bit this one. It looks a bit, it's out of the shape. Yeah, now it's better. Okay. Okay, I don't know all the details right now, how it should look, fit to our model, so we can do the chamfers also a bit later, this on the edges. But again, these ones we need to do straight. Here we can go again, it can be sharp, you don't have to be sharp, anyway. It should be fine. Also, so loop, again, we need to select manually everything which didn't looped. Okay, loop again. I wasn't selecting much of the edges. looped a lot of these edges, because really I don't remember how the shape should look exactly. Okay. Also that one. I'm not sure about this one here, what it will do. It's fine. Fine. Everything is fine. Okay, so if we have the chamfer, we will again make the ring to make also edge tightening at the bottom, and at the same time we'll do one middle edge just to make the shape a bit more interesting. Okay, here we go. Connect to a bit down. Now we will keep them apart. Okay. Now I'm missing here something which I have to remodel, and it's this. Select this and this, these two. Now from the front view, go straight up. You can also straighten this. And one more time, somewhere here. From the left view, hit Alt X, place it somewhere here. But select something wrong, I guess, there. No, this looks fine. I will just make some adjustments. Select Target Weld, weld it here at the bottom, weld this again here at the bottom. Oops, Alt X. And we'll just move them a bit to fit a bit more to our shape, which I'm actually not doing right now. Yeah, I was going too far with that. See it now. Also here, of course. Anyway, we can play with this as long as we have to simply get the shape which we like. Okay, gimbal mode. Let's try local. Okay, I think I will keep this so far, and later we can add that. Okay. So right now we need the symmetry modifier here. Flip again. I will even don't look. Make the welding much smaller. Should be now fine. Adjustment to that. Okay, let's go here to this line. Okay, that looks fine. Also in the back, this looks fine too. I think this should be sharp, but I don't know so far. And now, oops, select this one, deselect this one, and chamfer with the value of 0.3. I'll select also that one. I don't know right now, but I don't think so actually. It should be just like that. Nothing more. Wait, we'll see. No, it shouldn't be there. So it should be like this. Okay, so we have this. Anyway, if you see there anything wrong, you can fix that in the part after. I have to do everything now as I think this one, but surely I think it's fine more or less. But of course we can look on some things, and let's go here to the jaw. The jaw should be divided on two parts. I think, even that I'm not sure, but I think yes. Doesn't matter actually right now. And the one part should be this here, like this one, and the second part should be here. Now, so far I will do it like as one object, so all polys, and I will think about this a bit. All polys extrude again the same value, which was 1.8, and local normal. Press OK. Hide unselected. Select all these, because again we don't need them. I'm gonna go here, but I don't think here will be something wrong, so it's fine. Now again we need to do the edge tightening. It should be here a bit easier than the stuff before. So let's try a loop of our model. So we looped everything, and let's see what is here wrong. I saw just one, which is here. So I'll select that, straight go to chamfer. I will not do here a big chamfer like 0.50, okay, 35. And select that one more time. It was quite a quick selection, so make it one more time. Okay. Now hit the chamfer 0.05 two times. For sure, this one here should be sharp. I think I don't have to even look. So again, small chamfer on that. We don't have to do the double chamfer here actually. I think I did that sometimes. Anyway, I can fix that very quickly. Okay, so I will do just this so far. Select this, ring that. No, I wasn't doing that, so it's fine. Cool. And again, we will make a connection to move it a bit and move it down. Let's look on that. So no symmetry, flip again, get the weld threshold down, tube smooth 2 times is a line. Unhide all. Oh, it's fitting quite nice. Okay, still by my shape. The last thing actually what I will do in this part, select this here and also this around the jaw. Hit chamfer and get here the value 0.3. So when I hit now tube smooth, there will be some outline also fitting here and so on. Okay, so I will stop here. I think it was enough. The next part I would like to finish all this stuff and the detailing, probably the fixing of some things which I did, and so on. So I hope you like. We are almost done with the helmet. And again, I hope you like, and I will see you in the next part. So So far, bye bye.